All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but today's the first day. It's going to be above 20 degrees in probably about a week. So I have the equipment warming up. I have the log splitter, I have the conveyor, the John Deere and the Cat Mini excavator, and the 7.3 diesel all warming up. Gonna try to finish splitting that wood in that trailer. I got a couple hours, so we're gonna try to bang all that out. The other day I ended up stacking all that wood with my son, Hayden. He came over and gave me a hand for like an hour, and we put all that wood in the woodshed. All right, let's get started. Yeah, I got the John Deere going, I got the Cat going, I had the 7.3 and the Ford going. This is the wood I want to get split. These are the big chunks that I split with the excavator log splitter. I quartered them. The conveyor's warming up. The log splitter's warming up. And like I said, Hayden came over and gave me a hand stacking all this wood. It's all in the firewood shed now. So that pile that I had in here from the last splitting is basically all this wood, 5 feet high, and I actually filled in all the way up over there. So now I have one full row. Firewood, that row, there's a second row. So yeah, I should be able to fit 4 full rows of firewood in this bin, and it's 24 feet long, so it's not bad. All right, well, let's see if we can put some wood in this pile. So I like my firewood setup, except right here I got to put a step there. I got to put a step here. I got to move all this metal. This tree's going to stay, obviously, and then I'm probably going to dig up these rhododendrons and move them over that side in springtime, or maybe after they flower. I'll move them, and I'm going to make more of a barrier, visual barrier, on the other side of that John Deere. All right, well, everything should be pretty much warmed up, so I am going to get started. Conveyor belt's tracking pretty good. This has a tendency to wobble back and forth a little bit, but that end up there is pretty much centered. So let's see how much wood I can get done in the next 2 hours. Should be able to get it all done, we'll see. Well, that's it, guys. Finished that trailer load. Log splitter is all set for the snow that's coming tonight. The conveyor is all set. I have to just get a tarp and tarp that wood just so the snow doesn't get in it and make it one big block of wood, so we can stack it in a day or two. So now what I have to do is I got to pull my excavator trailer out. I have it tucked in there in the corner over there. I got to go move a car for a friend tomorrow, right after the snow, after I'm done plowing. So I am going to pull that out, get that a little more accessible to the truck, so when I'm done I can just drop the plow back up to that, hook it up, and go move that guy's car, move my friend's car for him. All right, well, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I try to put a new video out every Wednesday morning and Saturday morning, roughly 9 a.m. That's what I try for. I've been doing pretty good at that, so go ahead and check out some of those videos. Once I have to fix my excavator log splitter still, so we're still working on that Corvette. Once I get that Corvette fixed, I'm hoping this weekend we're going to finish that so I can get that outside, leave it outside for a little while. I got to get that log splitter for the excavator inside. I broke a hose in there and I want to get it inside and do a once over, fix that and do a once over on it. And then I'm going to continue with firewood over there. And I got all the bunch of other videos or repairs I got to be doing. So you'll see some of them. All right, once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment and hit that bell, that little notification bell, and you'll know when that new video comes out in case I end up skipping a day or put out one a little early. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.